Hey everyone, Ajay this side. I am graphic design and UX trainer at Brillica Services. Today I will tell you how to make 3D text donut in Illustrator. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. Okay, जैसे आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे होंगे हमारे पास एक कैनवास है जिसका मैंने साइज लिया है 2000 बाय 2000. सो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं सर्कल क्रिएट करने से. ओके, सो हम एक सर्कल क्रिएट कर लेते हैं. With the help of Alt and Shift, you can customize and proportionally it. अब एक अट्रैक्टिव सा कोट लिखते हैं. सो माय फेवरेट कोट, इमेजिनेशन इज एवरीथिंग. ओके, देन जस्ट डुप्लीकेट इट. नाउ सेलेक्ट कंट्रोल डी, प्रेस कंट्रोल डी. सो एंड one more you have been made. Okay, it's done now. Just scale down it. Now just go to symbol panel of your Illustrator and add on this text plus. So I'm creating a new symbol, so I'm just write it, it's 3D donut. We can use according to requirement. So now just the turn of the circle, so I'm creating a ellipse. Okay, now just go to effect, 3D text and materials, and goes to 3D classic and then revolve classic, and see there is something creative and attractive. So I'm just offset increasing. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, you can change the position of your donut according to your requirement as you want. Okay, I'm just thinking that it's the right position, and goes to map art. Now just select the symbol we edit, 3D donut, and just go to scale to fit and see this showing here. Now just click on OK and again OK. Select the symbol we have created. So just I'm selecting, and this he's asking you are about to edit the symbol definition. So let's click on OK and change the color of the text. So I'm just using a white color for the text because our donut color is black, so it will contrast on it. Okay, and see here, you can manage this donut according to requirement and scaling and scale down position also. See, now I'm just creating one more thing. I'm creating a background for it, also in black color. Now just click on it and right click and arrange, send backward or send to back as you want. So guys, this is done now. So that's it for the video. अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद है, do like, comment और share and stay tuned